Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called In His Name. It is a one-wall dance. I'm going to give you step-by-step instruction, but before I do, want to give a shout-out to everyone that always leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so very kindly. I appreciate you. And if you're watching this channel for the very first time and you like the content, please consider subscribing. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the demo with the music, I'll post it at the end of this video. So let's go. So we're going to stand on this side of the room and we're going to face in this direction, okay? So stand over here and look in this direction. We're dancing side by side. You don't have to look back, standing back, dancing side by side. So the weight is going to start on the left side. So this is part one. So part one, we're going to do at the front and back wall on the right foot. So you do a step sailor, out, in, tap out to the side, right, left, tap forward, right, stump on the left. Okay, and that's your first 8 count. So step sailor, the weight starts on the left, you step on the right, step, sailor, out, in, right, left, right, stump. So let me give you the count. 5, 6, 7, and step 1, 2, out, 3 and 4, right 5, 6, 7, 8. So I go side, and then to the front. 7, 8. My weight is on the right, okay? And I'm going to do it easy with my shoulder coming back. And I go left, tap right. And that's your part one, okay? So let's do it again. Step sailor, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, out, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back 1, tap 2, back 3, tap 4, and then easy. 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Yes, that's why you count. As you know, if you miss a step. So when I tap on my left, I come back on the left, I tap right, come back on my right, tap left, and then do it easy. So come back and do it easy. Left, tap on the right with my right heel up. So let's do it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, step sailor. 1, 2, out, 3 and 4, right 5, 6, kick 7, stump 8. Back 1, tap 2, back 3, tap 4, then come back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, with my right heel is up. Now we'll tap, facing in this direction. So let's do it again. Step sailor to your right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, right, 5, 6, forward, 7, stump 8. Back left, 1, tap 2, tap on the right, back 3, tap 4, easy. With my left shoulder coming back, half turn. Left, right, left. So we're going to do a transition, okay? Instead of left, right, when we did it the first time turning back, we're going to do a triple step, okay? Easy with a triple step so we can transition and get ready for the part 2, okay? So back 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4, left, right, okay? So we're going to add a triple step. But it'll put us the weight on the left, my right heel is up, and it set us up to go into the set part 2. All right? So part 1 you do on the front and the back wall. It's a right leg lead. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, step sailor. 1, 2, out, 3 and 4, right 5, 6, 7, stump 8, back 1, tap 2, 3, tap 4, easy. Left, right, left, tap, right. Step sailor, 1, 2, out, 3, and 4, right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, tap, right, right, tap, left. Easy with a triple step. Left shoulder coming back, half turn, left, right, left. Okay? Now, part 2, we're going to do at all 4 walls. Okay? So, moving clockwise. So, 2 kickball change. 2 kickball change on the right, and a jazz square with a quarter turn to the right. So, it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Let's do it again. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter turn right, jazz square, right, left, right, left. We're going to do that all 4 walls. Do it again, kickball change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter turn to your right, right, left, You're looking back at me. You're going to do the same thing. Kickball change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right? So, let's go back to the top. And we're going to get ready to do the next part. We're going to do it in the front and the back wall. We're going to do it on the right foot and then the left foot. So, from the top. Step sailor, 5, 6, 7, and step sailor, tap out and out. Right, left, hip forward, right, stomp left. Back left, tap right, tap left. Easy with my left shoulder coming back. Left, tap right. Do it again. Step sailor to your right. Step sailor, left, out and out, right, left forward, right, stomp left. Back left, tap right, back right, tap left. Easy with my left shoulder coming back. And we're going to do a triple step. Left, right, left. 2 kickball change on the right. Kickball change, quarter turn right, left. The jazz away, we're going to cross that leg when we turn. Again, kickball change on the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, jazz. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kickball change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, quarter turn to your right, jazz square, cross that right, over left, right, left. Kickball change, quarter turn, right, left. Good job. So I'm going to introduce, I feel like this next step, I'm kind of introducing y'all guys to this. Some of y'all, most of y'all might have done this step again. It's a step turn. So it's almost you step turning forward and doing a U-turn. Step with a turn step. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's a triple step. So the key to doing this step is stepping forward. Right, left, right, with a triple step. So you don't turn back, right, left, right. You step forward, okay? And then doing the step turn. Right, left, right. I'm going to add a left, right, a sailor step. Left, right, right. And that brings me on my left leg. The last step was on the right. I told you this part here, I'm going to say part 3. You're going to do on your right foot and then your left foot. It's the same thing, front and back wall. So step forward on that right. Right, left, right. Do your footwork. It's a triple step. Sail on the left, right, right. Check this out. Don't do this. Don't tap back. It's a sailor step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And that puts you on your right. Now, we're going to do the same thing we did at the front wall, but we're going to do a left leg lead. Step forward and then turn. With your left shoulder coming back. Left, right, left. It's always a half turn. Sail right, left, right. Okay? So you step forward and the right shoulder come back. Right, left, 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 right, left. Yes? So it's a turn step. It's a step turn. I'm saying turn step, but it's a step turn. You're stepping forward. Step, turn, triple step. Making a half turn. Left sailor, left, right, left, and a right sailor. Right, left, right. Step forward and turn. Step, turn, triple step. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? So remember, as the instructor, you gotta turn, step forward. Step forward first, okay? Don't just turn back. So what do I mean? Don't do this, okay? You have some leeway. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Yes? All right. So let me go ahead and add this part because we almost there. So one wall dance. We're going to do a cross and kick. Right over left, left over right. My last step was on my left. I go cross and kick and cross and kick. And then, remember we was tapping out to the side and to the front? That's what we're going to do. Tap. Right, left, sub left. You've already done that in the first part. We did that side tap and then that forward tap. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, stomp on 8, which is on your left. Okay? The name of this dance is in his name. So it's Amen, the Father's Prayer. Put your hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to step forward. So, with the left leg to the front, you put your hands together, you go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, then come up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. End of dance. It's time to start over with my right heel up. Okay? Now, let's put it together. So let me walk you through it. We're going to start with, on the right, step sailor, out and out, to the side, to the front. You're going to roll back, do the easy, and then we're going to do the same thing on the back wall. Right leg lead. The transition, when we do that easy coming back, triple step. To set you up for part 2, which is the weight is on the left, 2 kickball change on the right, and a quarter turn to your right, all 4 walls. And that new step to some people is that step turn with a triple step, sailor left, sailor right, and then we do it on the left. Step, turn, triple step, sailor right, sailor left, cross and kick, side tap, out right left, kick right left, and stomp down. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap on 8 and start the dance over, okay? That was your review. Let's put it together. I don't know about y'all guys, but this is a beautiful song. I needed this song this morning. I was looking at it last night, and the music was just constantly in my head last night. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, step sail. 1, 2, out, 3 and 4, right, 5, 6, 7, stomp 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, easy, 5, 6, 7, tap 8, settle 1, 2, out, 3 and 4, right, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, easy, 5, 6, triple 7 and 8. Kickball chain, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, right, 5, 6, 7, again, it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, kick 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4, sailor 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Left 1, 2, 3 and 4, right 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Cross 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 down, 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back at this wall, we start over again. Since we're at this wall, does it mean? Yes, it's a wall dance. So, let me tell you about this dance. It's up tempo. So, when you learn the dance, make sure you know each part, okay? So, just stay on one part and just repeat it over and over again. And look at the demo, hear the music, and do it at the tempo. Then add part 2. And go back to 1 and 2 and put it together. And add part 3 and part 4. Because here's the thing, it's up tempo. So you gotta know the steps, okay? So it just takes practice. There's no changes, no tags, no bridges. You do one part after the other in the same rotation. Okay? My name is Linda Sims. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you share this video. I love this song. PJ did a fantastic job. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.